Welcome to this summer first edition of CISD Matters. We're going to have a couple of sessions to update you on the construction projects. We're standing right now on the Sky Bridge that's really going to be the entrance of the high school. I hope you enjoy these updates and get a lot of information. I want to say a special thank you to the seniors of 2018. You guys were an amazing senior class. We wish you the very best. And remember, once you're a CHS graduate, you're always part of our family. So congratulations and good luck. Sit back and enjoy this special edition of CISD Matters.
Hi, I'm Lanny Money. I'm the construction manager for the new high school for Cleveland ISD. Today we're standing in front of the science building. Inside we're installing glass, we're installing casework, tile, and other interior trades. In the next few weeks we'll turn on permanent power. We will finish the interior and it'll be ready for occupation August 1st. As many as you have seen that's driven down Nolan River, we have completed the framing of the front of the building. Inside the main entrance, we are framing walls, installing overhead such as HVAC duct, overhead electrical, overhead plumbing. One of my favorite areas is the courtyard. In the courtyard, we have a learning stair, outdoor classroom, and plenty of seating for eating and outdoor learning. We will be ready in this location January 1st. What you're seeing now is the old science wing. We're doing overhead such as HVAC duct, plumbing, electrical overhead, data overhead. We are framing walls. Some of the CTE classes in this area will be law enforcement, business, and health science. This area, as hard as it is believed, we will be done for August 1st opening. If you haven't done so, please go to the website and look at the updated drone pictures. We update those about every 10 days to 2 weeks. Please look forward to another update this summer.
Hope you've enjoyed this special edition of CISD Matters Construction Update. I just want to say thank you so much to all of you for your support and allowing this project to take place. A special thank you to the Board of Trustees and to our community and to our families for all of your support. Please stay tuned. We've got more to come this summer. Hope you all are having a great break. Go Jackets!